Hello everyone, my name is Julio Alberto Blanco Solís. I am a student of the Instituto Tecnológico Superior de Huatusco. Today I want to share a special memory for my life. When I was in high school, I used to go to a center gaming with my best friend. Our favorite game was a Call of Duty Warzone. We spent many afternoons playing together, and my brother sometimes joined us too. Those were some of the happiest moments of my life, and I remember them with a lot of affection. Um, One day we even participated in a small tournament. We didn't win, but we played better than ever and had an amazing time. It is one of the those memories that I will never forget. If people spend time with good friends, create unforgettable memories. Unfortunately, most of my friends went their own way after high school and haven't talked to them for a long time. This is part of life, but I will always appreciate those moments. They are my life. Now I am studying computer system engineering. I am focusing on my future. If I finish my degree and keep working hard, I will become successful engineer. I also hope to meet my old friends again someday. If we meet again, we probably play Warzone together one more time and remember the good old old days. Thanks for listening.